Welcome back to TheStreet.com TV, Wall Street Confidential with Jim Cramer, our co-founder here at TheStreet.com. Hi, Jim.
Hi.
Let's get into some sector gaming.
Sure.
Watch defense stocks. Can we defend ourselves with defense stocks right now?
Periodically, what you have to do is get out of the business section, look at the front page. Anybody who's been watching these debates, and of which I know we're all overdosing on the campaign already, but I urge people who are going to trade stocks, you got to watch these debates. Mm-hmm. The reason you got to watch them is that there's very little difference between the Republicans and the Democrats. I've never seen them this close. They all want to prove that post 9/11 they get it. They all want to prove that that they are tougher on defense because everyone's worried about that this is a country that has decided to be strong on defense, which means that regardless of what party wins, General Dynamics, Raytheon, Lockheed Martin will make the numbers. I saw the other day someone downgrade Lockheed Martin and upgrade Raytheon. I mean, no. These are all the same. This is musical chairs. I like Raytheon the best because they just sold their big aerospace division and are buying back stock. General Dynamics is a great play on China because the only way to be able to stop China, which with its ICBMs, is the submarines. Mm-hmm. General Dynamics has submarines. Lockheed Martin is widely perceived to be a defense play, both domestic security and international security. Northrop Grumman, just a traditional fantastic hit the number stock. This is a great group that generates a lot of cash. I don't want to overlook LLL. I think that that's a good company too. And what I would urge people to do is every time these stocks hit, you just get hit, you got to buy them because they really trade on who's president. Mm-hmm. And I don't care right now whether Democrat or Republican can win. These stocks are going to go higher because everyone's identified with, I got to give these companies more money.
So it doesn't really have to do as much with the economic cycle?
No, not at all. I mean, some of them have good aerospace divisions, but they tend to not be commercial, which is the booming. So they're more different than ever. I guess if people want to play a two-cycle game, mm-hmm. Aerospace is in bull market mode, defense is in bull market mode, you can buy Boeing. Which I think is a great stock. But what this is extra cycle stocks, and I love stocks that don't have anything to do with the Fed. The Fed has clearly decided that we're not going to have a high growth country. Ben Bernanke has, and one of the reasons he has is that if you listen to the media, which I know he does, everyone's worried about inflation. I actually worry about growth because I see subpart of Europe growth. And I see, if anything, that's going to be accentuated by the Fed. All the growth that we have in this country is from overseas. It's from export. So you have to be in bull markets that are not sensitive to the U.S. economy, and the defense stocks are simply not sensitive at all.
All right, there you have it, how to play the defense sector. Thanks a lot, Jim Cramer. This is Wall Street Confidential on TheStreet.com TV. Stay with us.